Make a shape mobile. Draw your favorite shapes on index cards. There's a triangle, a circle. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. What other shapes can we draw? A heart or a moon. Look at that. Now you see my index cards, and now you don't. Magic. Cut 8 pieces of string of different lengths. Tape down a piece of string to each card. Decorate your bowl with all kinds of colors and shapes and squigglies and anything else you want. Make it your own. Can you write your name on it? Hang it up. Find an oval. Where's your oval? Now point to your triangle. How are these shapes different? Okay, and which shape is next to the triangle? Which shape is next to the square?